Welcome back! In this video, we will be breaking down the anatomy of the letters. So that you don't get lost or confused, let's go through the basic terms. It is time for you to learn a new language of letters. This word has a lot of terms, so you don't get lost or confused, let's go through the basic terms. Baseline is where your word sits on. A centerline is a line that establishes the height for all your capital letters, and it's above the baseline, like T and H. This is the descender line. It's a part of the letters that extend below the baseline. This is your X height. It's the guideline that establishes the height for all the lower cases. Then we have the lead stroke, is where the letter starts. The up stroke is a part of the letter stroke that goes up. We need to release pressure to have this thin line. A downstroke is the part of the letter stroke that goes down. Extra pressure is added to create a thicker line. Let me show you an example of an up and down stroke combined. Down pressure, we go up, release pressure, we go down pressure, we go up, release pressure. A cross stroke. It's the horizontal line to cross a vertical line like a T. You can also add flourish. And finally, we have the exit stroke, where your letter ends. To help you out and get you started, I have a workbook for sale at myprintscollection.com, and you can also download my free practice guide. The link is down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.